Time for the fourth quarter. 44-58 in favor sa Verivox. Let's go, let's go. Fourth quarter. Bose number 1 for 3. Oh God, nako ni Madrigal. Ay, kung bulag na yung pinsa.
14 seconds.
Na, sana ka. Nice pass. Ay, malakas ra. Relax, relax. Geralde sa gilid. Short. Nako ni Lintorio.
Sorte.
Ay ka. Uy, alanganin. Stepping bebas. 58-44. Palma, gawas Palma. Lintorio. Bang bang Lintorio. Roa dumiretso. Madrigal. Simple. Nice defense. Katag. Palma, balik na. Ay. Uy, nice moves kay Beha.
Score 16-48. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Remaining time.
Defense. Gawas.
13 seconds. Lantado.
Nice pass. Nice pass by Madrigal.
Esquera, right. 2 points, Esquera. Bola.
Still.
Remaining time, 5 minutes. Lagluan. 15 seconds. Score 62-50.
Na, way rebound.
Lagluan yung good. Esquera, right.
Oh, grabe. Big move sa idol, boy.
Time out, Verivox.
Focus nga. Ano namang.
Palma. Tumata.
Screen.
Lorenzo. 15 seconds.
Oops.
Last touch, ball position, Amino Baitan. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Roa for 3. No good. Nice rebound. Foul counted.
Students, plus 1. Sa Gonzales.
Lamang naman, lamang.
Plantado. Back to Gonzales. Gonzales.
Gonzales, short.
Return to Esquera. Asibes.
Ay ka, nice one.
Corona.
Ay ka, na-save the ball, oh. Shot pa yun. Oh!
Score 62-59 in favor of Belga.
Jambol. Score 62-58. Gamay na lang ang lamang sa Berry Box. Uy,
Lintero. Red. Foul. Vega. 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
sus, tulog ka buhok mo dia. So, pagpasa dia.
Foul. Esquera. Remaining time 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tersikat ke dia. Lentorio short.
Vega.
Uy, out. Uy, loh.
Amigo Bergali. Remaining time 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Remaining time. Esquera. Esquera for 3.
Bang! Isa na lang. Okay lang ini. Isa na lang.
Score 62-61.
Lentorio nakawala! Eh, gilabay. Loko, loko. Nice defense, bossing. Score 64-61. Lamang og tatlo ang Berry Box. To free throw by Roa. Nanulod na, nanulod na. Last throw, last throw. No good. Biha. The big man. La, lamang na. Wala pa. Ay, igualis na, igualis.
Score 64-61.
64 all. 64 all. Lentorio for 3. Ah! 3 points by Lentorio. Lamang tatlo. Penalty, penalty. To free throws.
Oras 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Very bon bay.
Andaliasa.
67-65. Duha na lang lamang. Sa Berry Box.
Asibes. Asibes.
Pang lamang. Oy! Lamang na.
10 seconds.
Foul. Score 67-68. Lamang na. Amino Vital.
Naging na yung ruwa.
To free throw by Bossing Lentorio. First throw. No good. Score 67-68. 67-68 ang score. Last throw by Lentorio. Pang igualis og masyat. Last throw. Igualis ang score 68. 68 all.
Remaining time 2 minutes.
Nice pass. Uy, nice defense by Madrigal. Nice defense again. Ay, foul out si Roa.
Ruwa.
Fouled out.
Pushing foul.
1 minute and 51 seconds in fourth quarter. Score 68 all. Top free throw by Busing Lentorio. First throw, lumabas. Last throw by Lentorio. Wag, gagakos ng duha. 1 point by Lentorio. Lamang isa. Berry box. Time out. Score 69-68. Isa ang lamang sa Berry box. 1 minute and
Last 14 shot clock. Espera, right. There's a foul. Who's fouling?
foul. First throw. Ay ka. Pangigwalis og masyat. Yes, shoot. Rebound by Mata. Kwa. Score 68-69. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Dagan Gonzales. Ay, defense. Uy, wala. Ay, defense by Lentorio. Gonzales. Relax. Lalam, Mata, lalam. Uy, lalam na. Oras gawas. Mata, ugay ka. Mata, gibali. Ay! Nag-aisa na si Mata. Nice one. Tatlong lamang. Gualis bay. Ay, wala. Tulod. Biha. Foul. 71-68. 55 seconds in last quarter. Penalty day. Top free throw by Mata. Shot. Nice one. Last throw. Last throw. 55 seconds in last quarter. No good. Ay ka, rebound by Biha. Defense by Gonzales, muntikan pa. Tristul ka na. Shot. Ay ka, wala. Igualis. Ay, short. Nako ni Madrigal. Pugong. Nice rebound by Madrigal. 68-72. 34 seconds in last quarter. Penalty.
Score 72 against 68 in favor of Berry Box.
First throw. Ay, lumabas. I-sure ng isa dol para 5 para dili kayo lisod. Shot. Ay, no good. Ay ka. Uy, defense ay Madrigal. Nice one. Bola. Nako, muntikan pa. Foul. Gonzales. Foul. But nice one. 72-68. 23 seconds and last quarter. Top free throw by Gonzales. One shot. Last throw. Perfect shot to forwards by Gonzales. 34 seconds in last quarter. Chris. Ay, madlas gibi. Wala, GG na. 17 seconds. Foul. 68-73. 14 seconds in last quarter. Top free throw by Madrigal. One throw. Last throw. Perfect shot to Fowens, Madrigal. 14 seconds in last quarter. Wala na time out. Sagdiin na lang na. Wala na. Game na. GG na.
Esguerra.
Kaya kayo. Wala na. Nice game. 68-74. Winner team Verivox. Congrats, congrats. Congrats, congrats. Verivox.